All right, so we got update number 2 now. Did the base coat. I just put down my mesh laundry bag for the kind of scale print. Give you a look at that real quick. See how that turned out. See what you think. And then I also did my flashlight. All right, well, that's it for now. So let this dry for about 10 minutes so it's dry to the touch. Then I'm going to add some green and brown. After that, then I'll try the laundry soap. Dish soap. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. All right, so here we go again. I got the base coat. I got the mesh pattern. Now I've gone over with my brown and green, so I'll show you that. And then I'm going to attempt using this dish soap and see how it works out. So I'll give you a look for now. And then my flashlight. All right, well, I got the first pass of the soap, so I'm going to wash it off and do second pass. I'll just give you a look at it before I wash it. Then let me wash it real quick and I'll be right back.